I have been for over 2 years now. Now on this channel I don't really promote veganism from an activist and ethical point of view, but more from an educational point of view. And in regards to promoting veganism from an educational point of view, a lot of that has to do with practicality and promoting this idea of being vegan and being as practical as possible while doing so. So part of that practicality is illustrating how to make certain foods that are vegan friendly and the like. But veganism isn't all about food. Yes, the diet component is obviously very important, but at the same time there is still a lot of other components that we need to take into consideration. So vegans aim to avoid all forms of animal cruelty, and in order to achieve that there are other non-food products that we need to take into consideration. And some of those other products are the products that we choose to buy in regards to the beauty and the grooming products that we use every single day. And that is why I've created this series of videos entitled How I Groom in a Day as a Vegan. So this week I'll be mainly focusing on hair care and hair styling. So without further ado, let's hop into the shower. So I usually start off my day by having a shower. So I'm going to talk through some of the products I use to cleanse my hair. So I usually start off by shampooing my hair with the Wasabi Shankai by Lush. I tend to use a lot of the products by Lush. They are such a great cruelty-free brand, although not all of their options are cruelty-free or quote-unquote vegan. Some of them are vegetarian, so you really need to do a little bit of research and check the packaging. Anyway, this shampoo is vegan and it is a great shampoo for those of us who need to give our hair some extra boost in terms of growth and fullness. It contains caffeine, menthol crystals, sea salt, Epsom salts, and of course wasabi. Also gives off a combination of scents including rose, orange, and Sicilian lemon oils. This is a great shampoo that just feels so fresh on the scalp. Next up, I condition my hair with Veganese by Lush. This is a product I've used for quite a while and I still love it. It's a lightweight conditioner but still leaves my hair silky soft. It contains seaweed, lavender, rosemary, agar-agar, and lemon oil. What I love about this conditioner the most is its incredible smell. So while it is important to take care of the hair on my head, it is also very important to take care of the hair on my face. So for beard cleansing, I use the original beard shampoo and conditioner by Bulldog. I love this product. It leaves my beard feeling so soft and it has a great fragrance, contains aloe vera, camelina oil, and green tea. So a little bit of a change of scenery. We're now in my bedroom. I've just gotten out of the shower just after washing my hair and I'm getting ready to pre-style my hair. I usually pre-style my hair before drying it. So I start off by pre-styling my hair with black and white pomade. So I have reached out to this company by email and they've assured me that black and white pomade is completely cruelty-free and therefore vegan. So I start off by taking a very small pea-size amount, placing that on my palm like so, emulsifying that in, and then simply rubbing that through my fingers so that it is evenly dispersed throughout my hair. So even though my hair is pretty short, I still need to protect it somehow against the very hot heats, against the blow dryers. So I use this product right here, Argan Oil from Morocco Miracle Heat Defense Spray by Lee Stafford. It's important to know that not all of Lee Stafford's range is completely cruelty-free. Most of it is. It's best to check each individual product. So if you check out the description box down below, I will have a link that will give you a full entire list of all of the Lee Stafford grooming and beauty products that are cruelty-free. So the application is pretty simple here. Simply hold the hair up and start spraying this in all areas. So then what you got to do is obviously massage that throughout all of your hair so that it's evenly dispersed all the way through your hair to give it the maximum protection. So once I've got my hair pretty protected with the heat defense spray, I then proceed to restyle my hair back into the side part. So I usually go up, find a good corner to get an even parting like so. So now that my hair is sufficiently pre-styled and protected, I can now start to actually dry my hair. And today I'll be using the Babyliss Pro Salon 2200. So it's good to know that Babyliss is a brand that is totally cruelty free. They do not test on animals, so it's a really good option for vegans. So without further ado, let's get this hair dried. So now that my hair is sufficiently dried, I can now use a finishing styling product. And the finishing product I am going to use is the Mancave Matte Clay. So it's a comfort to know that the Mancave range is completely and entirely cruelty free. So to apply this, I simply take a very small amount, kind of a little bit similar to applying the black and white, but a little bit different. Take a small amount, place it on my palm like so, emulsify it. I'm not going to put my entire fingers through my hair because it's a finishing product. I'm simply going to do this with the top, and then we basically smooth this along to give the hair a bit of a natural finish. This will obviously give it very matte finish. It's not going to give you a glossy shine, but a very natural matte finish. This is a really great product. Just love the nice finish and nice hold. Gives an excellent hold to the hair. So everyone, those are just some of the ways in how I groom myself at the start of my day. There will of course be upcoming episodes where I delve a little bit more into skincare, vegan, cruelty-free skincare products and the like, and some other oral hygiene products which do come into play as well when choosing cruelty-free / vegan options. So please stay tuned for that, and feel free to post a comment on your thoughts of today's video. Perhaps you're vegan and perhaps you've tried some different cruelty-free products, particularly if they're hair care related cruelty-free products. So until next time everyone, don't forget, nerds rule the world.